welcome to the Wood Tulay, Wood Bridge.
This looks very
Going
dangerous.
to the beach.
And this looks very dangerous.
Not very dangerous. It's so exciting. And a lot of mangroves around.
And also looks very dangerous.
Ay.
This might break. I hope it does not break.
No, this is strong. Wow. See, there's the ocean. Look at that. There's so many waters around. Yeah.
This is what I mean. It might break.
Ay, magkahadlok magali. Wala ka kaani sa una? At first time gali na.
Dilibot man ka sa una, dito man ka sa highway da. Nag-video ka, may? Sa highway man
nag-video sa dayan.
Ditong may
Kani.
Kaya mga hadlok at mga tao din mo agi sa una.
Gani, hadlok gani. Ay, balat. Oh.
It's just that. How did that happen? It's just a tiny little bump.
Wow, so many people stay here also, lah. Look, so many houses around. Dami coconut. Coconut. Dami sa dagat na si Jadari. Yung mga bayay o housing around the seaside. Ang Gabi is so excited. So excited to touch the sun.
And then later I'm gonna spray you with my matagan.
Oh, a lot of nipa hot there. Everywhere. May bat-bat. May bat-bat is untol-untol. Because the road is rough. The road going to the Consuelo Beach is very rough. Ay, nalaglag ako.
Don't worry, it's fine. I don't feel anything. Why is there so many potholes? Why is there so many potholes?
Not so many.
Why is there so many potholes?
It's a province. It's a province life. Ay, oh. Nag-shortcut gali kita? Puriso gali.
Highway lang ta.
Natingala man po dyan na may lain naman da.
I hope we just not go into a circle.
Ang title ani, the shortcut. The shortcut bridge. Scary bridge. Oh my goodness, the Philippines life, very nice. Gavin is so amazed and excited.
No, I'm not.
You're not? You're not excited? This is Surigao del Sur. Reading for now.
I was expecting this.
Look at the mountain above there. Nabasa na sila. Okay guys, napuno kami sa aming Mercedes-Benz Honda. Gavin, are you okay?
Yes.
We're going to Consuelo Beach, guys.
Mom?
Yeah.
You know what?
Excited na ikaw.
You know what I'm gonna do after?
Okay, nag-agi mi diri sa school. May gagi ang school. Elementary school.
No, just slow down. This is a school zone.
Uyan, ang maligo og dagat na ulanan. Ay, dindot ang iyang barya.
Dira si Kaloy makapit-kapit na.
Oo, diri si Kalito ang picture niya. Sa mga painting. I love Consuelo. Ayan. Diri di ay ito kay Kaloy diha. Yung mga ano nila drawing, mga artists. I love Consuelo. barangay or lungsod? Barangay. Barangay na natin Kantilan. Barangay Consuelo, Kantilan. Ay, si Gab. Hello, Gab. How does it living in Philippines now? Good. How was my here?
That's raining, but I don't feel that sick.
Are you having fun?
Yes.
You want to come back next time?
Yes.
Okay. We're gonna come back next time when you grown up. Maybe a couple. Maybe you come back first.
Or is it the time when I have a job and have enough and my boss gives a giant salary?
Yes, maybe.
I will go and live in my garden.
Then we build a house in Philippines, a hotel or an apartment. Nice. Then we build an apartment.
Yeah, that's weird. Because you told me we're gonna do that before. You told me we're gonna go build things. I don't see us building anything yet.
Yeah, that's why we're gonna find money and keep money first. Buyayo. Barangay
What
Buyayo.
is that?
Damo rin tubig diri guys, damo dagat. Oh, nindot ang view diri oh. Di ba kita ang katong mga Swan Island? Islam.
Pero ang mula sa ano sa kaya dito man ang pagkain.
Sorry store. Dari kita?
Oo.
Ay?
Ito na sa baba.
Muna ako pa sa baba?
Oo. Ay, dito. Gano'n may tawag dito sa baba.
Lahi na itong dito. First time na to, Dari?
Oo.
First time, Dari. Lahi din na to sa una. Ay. Agway, nasakit akong lubot. Untol-untol. We're going down to the sea. Gab-gab. Maka nadala sa imong talo, Gab. Eh. Okay. Nakatuyog naman iton.
Okay.
Kaya rin ninyo bitbiton R. Nakahawiran ako sa gabin. Mag-una mi. Ay, we're going there. Lulong Arisa.
This is not too bad. The only thing that is wrong is because
Careful.
the rocks might be slippery. I see shiny ones.
Yeah. Basta kasi Kuya R have carry heavy things.
I know that. Another coconut.
Murag gubot man diri.
Coconut. Another coconut.
A lot of coconut because this is a lot of coconut tree around.
Yeah, and a coconut might fall on our head. Mike!
You cannot walking everywhere. Okay.
There it is!
Consuelo Beach.
Where are we gonna go?
Ayaw magtanggala.
Na you take picture.
No!
Hi guys, we are here in Consuelo Beach. Katulak ng ulo. Ayan. The view
My mom was
is
shouting at me.
like that.
My mom was shouting at me off camera.
Yan.
Mom, can you film this?
Water?
Yeah.
Oh, Gab. Si Gabin, oh guys. Very pasaway guys. Oh, nag-spray na siya sa akon guys, oh. Do not give. Wait, stop. Dito, you spray on the phone ba? Gara man, oh.
Mahalapit mga kauban diri.
Nawit. Stop.
Kagutom na kasi.
Okay, this is our baon guys. We have kamuti, saging, manilong ag. Naami, adobong, manok, kanon of course. Rice is life in Philippines. And biko, nga luto ni Braille. Lamian kaayo guys, napadali. Dito ba kailangan mas light lagi ka paghuwat ba?
I will be fine.
No, you cannot go that place. There only, oh. Near on the bamboo. Be careful how when you step.
More slippery.
Na si Mama Jinjin na lang, si Mama Jinjin.
Ako na ko daw.
Gingy.
Oh, the view is so nice here, guys. Ayan, pero bata-bata is subadlongon. Kapoy kay sige badlong. Magkaon anay ka. Kaon. Kaon sa ka. Ha?
I'm just gonna go slow. One time.